Welcome to collegedikhos.com Videos Edition. Today, we are at the Vidatya Institute located on Sona Road in Gurgaon, Haryana. Established in 2000, Vidatya Institute is an initiative of IIT and the Wharton School alumni with active support of corporations such as the Carlson Group USA and the Edwardian Group UK. Etymologically meaning source of knowledge, Vidatya Institute offers internationally recognized undergraduate and postgraduate programs of study in the professional areas of hospitality and business management. It also has an academic partnership with Intercontinental Hotels Group or IHG in the form of an IHG Academy. Vidatya is also the first institute in India to have an internationally branded on-campus training hotel, the Holiday Inn.
A student should choose an educational institution which is able to provide them with education that connects with employability. We at Vidatya, we look at this process backwards. So in effect, you begin with the end in mind. What that implies is that the programs, their content, the very ethos, the learning approach, the pedagogy, all of those elements connect with the industry.
Well, there are various reasons. As I initially entered to give my interviews, I noticed that the staff and the professors that we are having are extremely knowledgeable and friendly. And the modules that they are providing us, they have international benchmark standards. So later on, once we start working, that's going to help us out. Apart from all of this, they also give us a good exposure in other sectors of the hospitality industry, such as event management, and of course in the hotel industry itself during our intern.
With an internationally benchmarked course curriculum, Vidatya Institute ensures that education is not limited to classroom learning only and focuses on industry interface like conferences, seminars, workshops, internships, etc., and is industry validated as well.
The main highlight of the hospitality program is that it is industry focused and industry validated. Vidatya offers a strong quality assurance framework that enables superior student learning experience. Another highlight of the program is that it's a combination of operations and management. Our modules are internationally benchmarked with good reputed institutes across globe like Oxford Brookes University, Manchester Metropolitan University and Cornell as well.
With well-facilitated classrooms, modern library, extensive workshops at Vidatya Institute, students here are enriched in their knowledge and expertise through practical interface that is relevant to the current industry. In addition, Vidatya participates actively in research, undertakes consulting assignments, and has a very dynamic engagement with the industry.
We have presentations and seminars every day to get the theory inputs, and apart from that, the knowledge we get is not limited to the textbooks. We also get to learn from the experience our teachers have, and a couple of guest lectures we have, and we also get an opportunity to go to different events like the Ahar Food Fest or the World of Spirits, the Beverage Conference.
A unique offering here is the Revenue Management course that teaches students everything from conceptualizing, ideating, executing, and management of business.
Vidatya also provides a postgraduate program that's called the Revenue Management. That is one of the 3 institutes in the world that actually provides this course. Vidatya does not only give us the opportunity to take part in various workshops and conferences, but also gives us the platform to put our skills at test by putting it in practical use at other institutes and various other levels and actually generating revenue out of it. We have the Hi-Fi conference which we participated in. That gave us a good support to actually make stalls in other institutes that helps us generate revenue.
We put a lot of focus on the experiential learning in the form of practicals, in the form of outdoor caterings. Our students have also participated in events, live events. They have also planned an event and executed an event and has reflected on it. They have also participated in the conferences. So all these experiences actually give them a real lifetime learning.
Experiential learning here at Vedatya goes beyond classroom and proliferates into practical implementation for a sustainable ecosystem. The institute has developed a farming initiative in the campus that primarily focuses on slow food and sustainability and teaches and creates awareness among students on protection of biodiversity and protecting the food culture.
As a part of experiential learning, the culinary inputs, and to make them more practical, we started this farming initiative. Based on this initiative, we have actually developed a module. The module is very unique, and the module is slow food and sustainability and fair food. With the term fair food, we mean the food should be fair for the growers, for the farmers, for the producers. Also, our current habits are going to have a lot of impact on the environment. So it is time for us to take care of the future. Our students are going to be the future leaders. They are going to be the future chefs. So it is time for us to educate the youngsters, our students, and create an awareness about protecting the biodiversity and preserving our food culture. Together here at Vedatya as a team, along with all our students, we firmly believe that we are going to have an impact on the society, on the community, and we will be able to produce good, healthy food responsibly.
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. At Vedatya Institute, this adage is taken seriously, and that is why students are provided with ample avenues like various clubs and societies to break out, unwind, relax, and come back with their creative juices flowing. Sports, extracurricular activities within and at an intra-college or national level are common for the students of Vedatya Institute. The real test of an institution lies in its capability to not only educate students but also to make them employable by imparting the right skills, instilling in them a strong work ethic and a positive attitude, enabling them to take mature decisions.
Student centricity, not in print, but student centricity as a way of life, which identifies everything that we do in terms of working with students through their time on campus and otherwise, ensuring that the steps that they are taking in their journey with us enable them to grow, develop, learn, and become individuals who are a value-added product, not just for the industry, but in life in general.
With an extensive education module, a strong alumni network, and a rigorous training method like special personality development sessions with the perfect industry connect, it is no wonder that the students at Vedatya Institute are highly employable and well prepared to face interviews.
Our placement is not just curtailed to the current registered students. We continue to get requests for positions and opportunities available in the industry which require certain amount of experience. So those kind of requests cater to our well-managed alumni network, and we forward it to them, receive interests and forward it to the industry again. Apart from that, we continue to groom him and develop him for the final placements, for which we have personality development sessions and also get guest lectures from outside. So we believe if talent is employable and there is demand in the industry, placement is a given. For the past 14 years, we have had a very strong placement record. We have had leaders in the hospitality industry like the Marriotts, Hyatts, Accor, IHG and other international brands recruiting from us. We have also had Indian leaders like Taj, Oberoi's and Lemon Tree recruit our students as well for various roles. Apart from the top branded hotels, we have also had students recruited by top restaurant management companies like Azure Hospitality, who manage branded restaurants like Mama Goto. Then we have had companies like Nestle, Jet Airways and Regus interview students as well. For us at Vedatya, placement is a way how we summarize a student's 3-year journey through the program.
In the college, we have a lot of fun because we have stuff like a cricket ground, a volleyball court, a football ground, a table tennis court, a badminton court. Also, we keep on having parties like barbecue night, hostel parties, We also have events where we get a chance to showcase our skills.
In addition to the above, residential facilities are available for both boys and girls within the campus, equipped with modern facilities like Wi-Fi, power backup, hot and cold water supply, and a well-equipped mess. With the ultimate aim to instill knowledge, skill and attitude among students to achieve employability as a goal, Vedatya Institute is extremely passionate about providing an outstanding student experience. So, if you're looking to garner not only education but also develop the right skills and learn to implement them while having fun at the same time, then look no further. Vedatya Institute is the chosen one for you. Visit collegedekho.com to discover, prepare and achieve admission in your dream college.